Hi everybody, how are you? So let's talk about the astrology for June 14th, 2022. So we're coming off of the full moon in Sagittarius that happened really early this morning. We are now in a void period until 6:13 when the moon is going to move into Capricorn. And so let's talk about this, right? While the moon is sitting still, how to use this void period. Allow yourself to meditate and to release ideas, philosophies, or habits that are no longer serving you. Really look around and say, am I with people, places, and things that are elevating my vibration or not? And if they're not, they're going to be squeezed out. So it's better to embrace the choice of saying yes to using your time, using your personal authority to step into yourself and create what you want. And even though it is a hard but beautiful full moon, it's this combination of Neptune and Saturn, the energy of spirituality, of meditation, of attunement and self-attunement and refinement through the use of time, through the use of structure that Saturn offers you that will give you the most growth. And then we come into the Capricorn moon, which is going to really be about like getting the work done and letting yourself replace what you're not doing now with what you will be doing in the future. I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow.